How to make a typing effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Create your text layer and position it where you want in your project. Next, come up to Effects and search for Crop and drag the crop effect onto your text. Move the playhead to the very beginning, come into Effect Controls, come down to Crop and create a keyframe on right. Next, drag this right handle all the way across your text until you just can't see the first letter. Move forward one frame and then drag the handle across to reveal the first letter. Move forward another frame and drag the handle, and keep repeating this process until your text is revealed. Next, create a cut on your text layer at this point to delete the excess. And when we play it back, it's going to be far too quick. We can fix this by right-clicking and then creating a nest from this text layer, and then coming into the Rate Stretch tool, or press R on your keyboard, and then just simply drag out that nest that we've just created, and when you play it back, it will be at a more suitable speed. And that's all there is to it.